you tell me a little bit about this particular product we're standing in front of? I know you're excited about it.
Yeah, we have a brand new design in our sneeze guard design that I wanted to share with you today a little bit. This is our adjustable friction hinge that with one hand I can adjust it and change from an employee serve to self-serve. By raising the shield and then adjusting my side panels, I'm now meeting NSF spec for self-service. And if we have to go back to employee service, I would simply bring the side pieces back, retighten, and then go back to a full vertical shield. And these have been tested for 30 to 40,000 cycles of changes. So it's really cool.